Hi everyone, welcome back to 4K Torque. Is your computer feeling slow? Today I will show you how to check your SSD speed. We will use a free tool called Crystal Disk Mark. It is very easy to use. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Search for Crystal Disk Mark. Click on the official website. Download the standard edition. It is a small file. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Now open the software. You will see a simple window. At the top, select your SSD drive. Usually drive C. Now click the big green button that says All. The software will now test your SSD speed. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. Please wait. The test is finished. Now let's look at the results. I will explain them simply. Sequential. Think of this as a long, straight road. This shows how fast your SSD moves big files, like 4K videos or movies. R&D 4K. Random. Think of this as a busy city with many small turns. This shows how fast your SSD opens small files, like Windows system files or apps. Read, this is how fast your computer opens things. Write, this is how fast your computer saves things. If your numbers are high, your SSD is still working great. If they are very low, maybe it is time to upgrade. I hope this video helps you understand your SSD performance. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to 4K Torque for more easy tech videos. See you in the next one.